Hi, I am Yorick. I am here to tell you all about our SEPREMIUM 3.5 oil water separator. The SEPREMIUM 3.5 is an oil water separator designed for smaller compressed air systems up to 3.5 cubic meters per minute. The robust rotor die-casted housing is made from polyethylene, and the design is based on JORC's familiar two-tower principle. As condensate flows into the SEPREMIUM 3.5, the oil is filtered out through various internal filtration stages. Let me show you how it works. We apply brass-threaded inserts to ensure a secure piping installation. Plastic-type thread options are not ideal in compressed air installations. Condensate enters through the brass inlet port. In the depressurization chamber, a foam filter separates the condensate from the compressed air and depressurizes the condensate. The condensate flows into the first tower. Then it passes through the primary element where the majority of the oil is adsorbed by the unique polypropylene filter element. Finally, the condensate, now almost entirely separated, passes through an activated carbon filter, polishing out any remaining hydrocarbons. Use the standard supplied sample bottle to verify the output value of the separator. Main features are compact design and small footprint, offering easy handling and flexible installation benefits. All known compressor lubricants can be separated. All drains can be applied. Target oil residue output value less than 10 parts per million. Tested to the latest DIBT standards. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your next order.